thinking about my outfits and less of like how much stuff I can fit in. It fits a lot of stuff, but it also matches the outfit. Hi, my name is Tiana. If you're new here, and if you're not new here, welcome back. In today's video, we are continuing with the back to school vibes. We are going back to school shopping, as well as be giving you guys an entire look through of my back to school bag. Growing up, the shopping portion of the back to school season was probably my favorite part. So as I'm older, that has not changed because I still love to shop, probably even more. I'm hoping to be heading to 3 stores, a dollar store, Staples, and a Walmart. And I'm hoping to get all of my essentials and necessities. As a university student, I do not need that much supplies, but I still want to like get a couple of like cute little things. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So I'll see you guys once we are in the store. We are back in my room and I'm about to give you guys an entire detailed run through tour of what's in my bags. I'm not even gonna try and actually I'm gonna try Fajala. Listen, I do not know how to say the name. I'm gonna say my Fajala Raven Cankin bag. You guys know the bag. This was trending like I think 3 or 4 years ago. Everybody and their mother have this bag. The newer version. This is actually the tote bag version because I'm a tote bag girly. I am one of those girls. I have like 20 million different tote bags. I knew that like I did not want a backpack for school. I also wanted like a tote that would be super supportive and hurt my shoulders. It would actually hold a bunch of stuff without breaking on me like halfway through the school year. And I heard that company that I'm not gonna say the name of has basically the same version of the bag that I have, but in a tote bag version. I have these like 2 straps here and it can turn into like a little tote and it's so cute and black goes with everything. But this is the amazing thing when my shoulder starts to hurt, because eventually it will, you know, I'm holding like a how many pounds laptop in here and a bunch of other makeup stuff in here. So when that starts to hurt, you can actually pull the back string of the tote like this, and then it turns into a little backpack. So it's so universal, it's so amazing, and this was like cheaper than the original one that I bought in like grade 11. I used it for a little bit of last year because I had some classes in person and some classes online. I went to the first one and I did not go back again because the social anxiety was way too much for me. The rest of it online, like I figured out how to do that. But the one time that I did go, I used this bag and it was perfect. Spent the entire day downtown and this bag was like amazing. And I've also used this for like a bunch of other things. But anyways, start from small to bottom. So we have things in here that would be my wallet. The last thing that I have in that little pouch, these won't be in there, these will actually be on my arm, but I just want to like have them in there to show you guys. But I carry my crystals, so I'm gonna carry crystals in this little pouch with me basically every single day. I might switch them out depending on like what I need that day, you never know, but these like 3 that I'll show you guys just now are gonna be coming with me like every single day. Now moving on to the crystals that are carried in this little pouch. I got this from like just like a regular like crystal store. So I have my amethyst crystal. This is really good for protection, kind of adds like a little like energy field around you to protect you from any like bad or negative energies. My school is downtown. There's so many different people, so many different vibrations and energies around you, people that you don't know, people that you do know, and it's just good to be grounded, that like positive energy flowing, and just warn off any bad vibes or negative energy that you do not want. And then I have my carnelian crystal. Those mainly known for bringing confidence and like power and just like really making sure that you feel good. And with someone with horrible social anxiety, this is really gonna help. Okay, then we have my apatite crystal. I'm still not sure if I'm saying that right. This is the newest addition to my crystal collection. I actually just bought this last week. I bought this specifically for school because it enhances like your creativity and psychic abilities, which I love, especially for like the creative part of it. I have those little 3 crystals there in my little pouch. Okay, now moving on to the even more exciting stuff, which is the bigger compartment of my bag. For me, I am a communications major, meaning that I'm not really doing a lot of like writing out notes and stuff like that. So I have my little laptop, I have my little stickers on them. I think this is the MacBook Air. I just have some cute random ones on here, and basically all of my notes, all of my essays, everything will be on this little laptop. So that is why I don't have that much stuff in the big part of my laptop, because it's all kept on this amazing machine. Okay, moving on to the next part. There's like a little like side pocket in front where the laptop is, and that is where I keep my pencil case. I had this pencil case last year. It's just a regular 5-star pencil case. 5 Star is just such an amazing brand. I love them. And it has a little 2 compartments. So the biggest compartment, I have these really big yellow bright sticky notes. I'm taking a history course this year. I'm so excited. I love history. I love learning anything that has to do with like World War I, World War II, or just anything in the history spectrum. I'm really excited, although I know it's going to be lots and lots of note taking. So although I'm going to be writing everything on my laptop, I know that like writing down stuff can really come in handy and really help. And then also in the bigger compartment, I have these pastel highlighters. I was going to get the mild liners, but they had these ones which had the exact same colors and the exact same like style of like the marker tip that I really like, and they were cheaper. And also I love Bic or B-I-C, I don't know how to say it. Anyways, they had the pastel colors and I was like, why not try something new? So I got these in like a blue, peach, yellow, green, pink, and purple. Really cute, really excited. They're highlighters and I love pastels, so why not? Next few things that I have in here, I have a black pen, I have a blue pen, a green pen, a pink pen, and a red pen. The black one is the one I'll be definitely using the most, but if I want to like write like important like definitions or terms or dates or whatever, I just want to write something that's more important, these like colors will really come in handy. And then I have one mechanical pencil. This is by a brand I really like. It's Pentel. This brand, I love their pens. And then in the smaller compartment here, which is already open, I just have these little tabs here because I got like a subject book, which I'll show you guys just now. I'm going to be using it for like all 5 of my courses. So if I want to like organize it, you can use those little tabs to give every single color like a specific course to keep it all color coded and organized to help me and my brain when I'm like shuffling through all those pages. Yeah, that is my little pencil case. I don't have a lot of stuff in here right now, which I'm happy about because sometimes I like overpack in here. I put like scissors, glue, tape. I do not need all that stuff. I really want to make sure that I only had the necessities in here, and I'm really happy because I still have a lot of space. And then we have the notebook that I was just talking about. I just bought this from Staples, which you guys had just seen. It's 5-star, of course, because I love them. It's this little greenish blue, depending on like what you see. I think it's like a nice forest green. I don't know, but it's just a 2-subject one. It's very thin, not that thick. I have like some other notebooks to like use if these run out. But I really don't think that I'll be using this much. I'll probably really be using this for like my history course to write down like important stuff. But everything will be on my laptop, as I said. So this is just to have, just in case, you know, to write down little things. Okay, and next we have a book, which I know is like, Tiana, like, why do you have a book in here? Like, girl. But I'm telling you, everywhere I go, I do not leave my house without a book. Who knows, my phone could die. I'm on the way home at 6 p.m. at night. I'm bored. I'm staring off into the train tracks of the subway and I'm like, oh, wish I had something to do right now. That is when the book comes in handy. Or if my phone is like fully charged, I'm reading either way. I love reading on the train, tune out from the world, and when you're just like stressed, you need like a breather, or there's just so many people around you, or when you're someone like me with social anxiety, a book is there to save you and take you into a new reality. I actually just finished reading this book. I'm on to like another book right now, but I just put it in here because the book that I'm reading now is a Kindle and I can't like show my phone. But yeah, I'm gonna be bringing a book with me every single day when I go to school. Anyways, this is not a book recommendation video, but a book is a necessity to have in my bag. Okay, next we have my ride or die pouch. Me and my mom used to call this bag Japan because when I was younger and I got like my period in grade 6, my mom packed me a little like pouch of like all these like girl necessities, like pads, tampons, lip balm, gum, like everything you would need that a girl needs. She put it in a cute little pouch and she called it Japan because, you know, like the flag of Japan is like a red dot and like, you know, periods. And anyways, you get the point. So I call this bag Japan. So it holds a lot of things. We have tampons and 2 pads. I bring a lot because you never know, friends might need it, random girls in the bathroom that you just meet might need it, and I always feel bad if I don't have them, so I have them. I'm not a tampon girly, but if someone else needs one, I got you. I also have a pack of gum because when you're eating lunch downtown, whatever the case may be, you never know, you might need some gum. And then I actually just got these from the dollar store. They're like little moist wet wipes or whatever. If you're eating lunch on campus and like you just want to wipe down, give the table a good little wipe, you know, to get rid of some germs or wipe down your seat, you're gonna need these. And then these are for the girlies that are wearing docs and any like super hardcore shoes that are gonna be hurting your feet. Blister patches. But as someone who wears a lot of docs, a lot of loafers, a lot of shoes that are very cute but love to hurt my feet, these blister patches come in handy. Equiphor, this is the best thing that your lip can ever have. Then I just have a little Bath & Body Works lotion. This is the Snowflakes and Cashmere one. This is just for like, you know, hand cream when you want to like touch up or whatever. Then for makeup, I have Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Complexion Perfecting Micro Powder. That is a lot of words, but this powder is my holy grail. I've fallen in love with this product over the past 2 months. If you're feeling oily, or if you just want like your makeup to look like snatched and like put together under your eyes, or just like on certain places that are just like feeling like your makeup is falling apart, get a little brush, pat that on under your eyes, like under your cheeks, wherever you need to. Makeup looks golden. It looks amazing again. NYX Butter Gloss. This is like favorite lip gloss ever. And then I have the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, again by Miss Charlotte Tilbury. You know, because you know it's hot outside, we gotta stay refreshed under the armpits. So I have the Teakwood by Men's deodorant. Then because a girl like me is always getting freaking headaches these days, and you never know, you'll be getting hurt or you have cramps or whatever, if someone else is having cramps and someone's like, oh, do you have a Tylenol? And you say no, I always feel bad. So I always bring Tylenol for myself and for people who might need it. So I have a little travel size one that you can get from the dollar store. Hair ties, but it's like this specific like texture, but it's the one that literally cannot break. Like no matter how much you stretch it, much it cannot break. Like I'm pulling it and pulling it. So yeah, the last thing which which is something I forgot to show you guys, is my water bottle. Keeps your water cold for like hours and hours, and this will just go like in the little compartment size of my bag. Okay, and then the last thing that'll be in my bag, it'll most likely be like on my shoulders or obviously on my ears. I especially love these in the morning when I'm on the train. Sometimes I'm not even playing music in here, especially if I'm reading. I will just put these on because they're noise canceling. It tunes out everything. Not hear what people are saying, cannot hear what's happening. Obviously be cautious, know your surroundings, still be like looking up every now and then from your book or whatever you're doing to make sure that you know what's going around you, especially if you're a girl like me. You gotta, you know, stay alert, stay aware when you're on the train and like around so many people, because you never know what could be happening. But it's just really good. Like I can barely hear myself talking right now. It's just a really weird experience. Yeah, that was weird taking them off, but I love these things. They're so amazing. They're from JBL. JBL overall is such a great brand. Everyone's kind of getting into headphones right now. Highly recommend. I love these. I've had these for like a year now and they're so perfect. So yeah, that is the last thing that is in my bag. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much if you got to the end of the video. If you guys have any questions or you need links to anything that I just talked about here, please let me know. I'll try and link everything as much as possible. I love you guys and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.